for us today.
Well, speaking of some of those wildfires, we are seeing a little bit of the impact from that. Not so much that we're going to notice it at the surface, but if you look up in the sky, oh, it's noticeable. Like once again, that haze from some of those massive wildfires out west. Well, it's been pretty active on the East Coast with rainfall storm systems of late, and that's kept a lot of the smoke at bay or back out west. But now that things have sort of stagnated, that smoke is back in the higher levels of the atmosphere, and it's going to continue to limit our sunshine here today as time rolls along, no doubt. So again, things are certainly going to stay a little bit on the smokier side as time rolls through. Checking out that almanac from yesterday, well, we had a high of 87, so while it's been hazy, the warmth, the humidity certainly has made its return, and there we go. Look at how noticeable that haze is out there in the sky. We have those clouds mixed in, but in those little pockets where the clouds are broken up, it still looks pretty gray because of all of that haze. Temperatures still managed to get to 80 degrees, the dew point of 67, so no doubt it's definitely still getting warm out there, but that haze is limiting temperatures just a little bit. It's in the upper 70s through Winchester, Kaiser, and Cumberland. But then as you look back to the east and southeast, especially where the sun is breaking out a little more so, already 88 degrees in D.C., 86 in Chantilly. So warmth is noticeable, no doubt. And there we go. Again, we've had more clouds off to the north and west. That's generally going to be the trend given the fact that we have plenty of activity going on just to the north of the area along this nearly stationary boundary that's right across central Pennsylvania. North of that boundary, there's going to be rainfall storms developing over the next couple of days, and we are just south of this boundary, which means clouds are going to be around, but rainfall tough to come by. So hazy skies will continue to limit the sunshine, and then that haze will give way to fog overnight and another warm and muggy day then on Tuesday. But finally, with that frontal boundary lifting north as a warm front, we have a chance for isolated rainfall both Wednesday and Thursday as we continue toward the end of the week, even though rain chances are going to stay very limited. So there it is, that stationary boundary for the most part north of us. The clouds continue to just leak over that boundary a little bit into the four-state region, but keep in mind we'll have plenty of haze and then fog, so it's going to look pretty overcast out there, even though there's not as many clouds as you'd expect. The clouds will return again tomorrow in a broken variable fashion, but notice again, no rainfall at all to speak of here. It's once we see that front lift to the north as a warm front and then another cold front drift just north of us into Wednesday. That'll be enough of a trigger to get those isolated showers and storms going, because we're going to have plenty of warmth to get into those storms and really get them firing up. We'll be into the upper 80s, lower 90s, as a matter of fact, as we head into the rest of the afternoon. Tonight, not at all getting much cooler. We're going to be in the 60s and 70s. That is it as we head into your Tuesday morning, and then that leads into probably the warmest day of the week. Not by much, but we're looking at more lower 90s being possible out there once we get into your Tuesday afternoon. So the general trend this week, quiet and also very warm and muggy. We'll bring those slight rain chances Wednesday and Thursday with not a lot going on by the end of the week, but still in the middle 80s.